That's the way the politics works.
Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh ila penremjur yak Kynhun Lehnoh Hnlc National Liberation Council Hnlc kabala Pyrshah ban Mushlia yaki kam Saiñ Hima sima nasha klau ila ko Pyrshah ru ya kani ke Kynhun ban yashim banta haki kam Saiñ perthai hakajaka ban chupen mi yaki hukum ikong Lyngdoh ila banjur ru halor kachingkiu kabor Saiñ perthai jongka Saiñ NPP hakajala Mikhalia barok kawai kabadai nakadaw jongka mensim Kynthoh lang jongka bat kaching mi khmat nagi jaj ban ria baper.
You can't from the jungle decide on what happens in government. Come and play the elections. Please contest these elections. Come. Be in position while you give your opinions. I mean, what is this diktat? I don't understand what they mean. I have not seen the statement myself. But you cannot continue to be a bogus player again and again. Come to the field. Nothing stops you from contesting any election. Or are you in cohort with some party? Which is this political party that you're supporting? Let us know. May as well tell the people straight then. XYZ group wants to be in combination with XYZ party. I mean, if people didn't vote for the NPP in the MLA, that's not our problem. But you need the numbers in the assembly. I mean, without the numbers, who's saying what? Do not infuse this communal mindset. We have to unite to fight collectively against the oppressor. Do not oppress us further and divide us further.
Ka Sarkar India